Please be ready for a dictation of an English rendering of PM's address at the webinar on Production Linked Incentives Scheme posted on 5th March 2021 by PIB, Press Information Bureau, Delhi. 5 seconds. Start. Namaskar. Your huge presence from across India in this important webinar reflects its significance. I welcome all of you wholeheartedly. You are aware that an idea came to my mind this time about the implementation of the budget, and we are doing a new experiment. And if this experiment is successful, it will probably be highly beneficial in the future also. So far, many such webinars have been organized. I have had the opportunity to talk to thousands of dignitaries of the country about the budget. Webinars have continued all day long, and very good suggestions have come from all of you regarding a better roadmap for the implementation of the budget proposals. It appears as if you are in a mood to go 2 steps further, and that too rapidly, than the government. It is pleasant news in itself for me, and I am sure that we will endeavor today in this dialogue to ensure that the country's budget and the policy making does not just remain a government process. There should be effective engagement of every stakeholder involved in the development of the country. As part of the ongoing series, this dialogue is being held today with all the important colleagues so as to give impetus to the manufacturing sector, that is Make in India. As I told you, there has been very fruitful dialogue with people from different sectors in the past weeks, and very important innovative suggestions have come forward. The focus of today's webinar is exclusively linked to production linked incentives. Friends, in the last 6-7 years, a number of successful efforts have been made to encourage Make in India at different levels. The contribution of all of you has been commendable. Now we have to take several more big steps to take these efforts to the next level, to increase our speed and scale also. And after the last 1 year of Corona's experience, I am convinced that this is not just an opportunity for India. It is a responsibility towards India and the world. And therefore, we have to move very fast in this direction. You all know very well how manufacturing transforms every segment of the economy, how it creates an impact, how an ecosystem is created. We have examples from all over the world where countries have accelerated their development by increasing their manufacturing capabilities. The increasing manufacturing capabilities also generate more employment opportunities in the country. India also now wants to work very fast with the same approach and wants to move forward. Our government is making reforms in this sector continuously to promote manufacturing. Our policy and strategy is clear in every manner. Our thinking is minimum government, maximum governance, and we expect zero effect, zero defect. We have to make assiduous efforts to make manufacturing in India globally competitive. Together, we have to work to create an identity of our products, production cost, quality of products, and efficiency in the global market. And our products should be user-friendly. Technology should be most modern, affordable, and should be long-lasting. We need to attract more cutting-edge technology and investment in core competency sectors. And of course, the active participation of all of you in the industry is equally necessary. The government is trying to move forward with this focus by taking all of you together. Work is being done at every level, whether it's emphasizing ease of doing business, reducing compliance burden, building multimodal infrastructure to reduce logistics cost, or building export hubs at the district level. Our government believes that the government's meddling in everything creates more problems than solutions. Therefore, our emphasis is on self-regulation, self-attesting, self-certification, that is, to move forward by relying on the citizens of the country. We plan to reduce more than 6,000 central and state level compliances this year. Your opinions and suggestions in this regard are very important. You may not get as much time in the webinar, but you can send me in writing. We are going to take it seriously because there should be a minimum burden of compliance. There is technology, and therefore we need to get rid of filling up forms again and again. Similarly, the government is working in several areas today to provide a global platform to exporters and producers to promote exports at local level. This will help MSMEs, farmers and small handicrafts, artisans in exports. Stop.